If you are looking for how to insert MU symbol in Excel, then keep watching. First, you need to click on the insert on the top menu bar, and on the right side you will see that symbol. Click on the symbol. So in the font section you need to select normal tags, and on the subsect you need to select Latin 1 supplement and find the MU symbol here, and here it is. This character code is 00B5. This is the character code 00B5. Click insert, close, and here it is inserted. In the next method, type small m in any of cell and then head to the home and change the font to symbol and hit enter. And here you can see that MU symbol is inserted. In another method, put the equal sign and use the char function and open the bracket and type 181 code and close the bracket, hit enter. And this is what you can see that MU symbol is inserted. In the fourth method, you need to hold on the Alt key and press the 230 on the numeric side keypad and release the Alt key. And this is what you can see that. So with these four methods, you can easily insert MU symbol in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.